We're here with Ray, and Ray did something special. He did the world record setting up a GPS surveying kit and map a point.
Right, I did that.
Do you normally often set up a GPS surveying kit?
Daily. But not in this tempo.
Why you're setting up GPS surveying kits? What do you do in your normal job?
I give demos.
And is it true that you like mud?
No, I don't like mud. It's slippery.
But while doing demos you roll in the mud, I heard?
No, I let other people roll in the mud because they want to survey stuff. I just shout in the back, you have to put it up like this and make sure that the GNSS receiver is attached and press on the tablet. That's what I do.
Yeah, but sometimes you're in the mud.
I am.
So let's check out the world record of Ray. We did set up the complete GPS surveying kit before starting the
attempt.
Oh, there he goes.
There we go. Yeah. You see, wow. See the success. That's the.
He's throwing away things.
Yeah. Opening. See?
He says it's cold.
It's complaining, but it is cold. It's winter period.
Is that how you normally warm your GNSS receiver?
Yeah.
That's not normal.
Yeah, it's normal.
No, do you show that in the demo? What are you grabbing? What are you grabbing there?
No, I'm shitting out a GNSS receiver.
He's waiting, he's checking. Do you need better glasses?
Yeah, that's why I'm putting my hand in. See?
Oh, it's freezing cold.
You're complaining about the cold.
Yeah, but I'm a Dutch guy and we have the right to complain about the weather.
Land survey.
And the time is still running now. I'm looking.
Of course the time is running.
I'm looking up. Happy?
Okay.
Yeah, happy that the GNSS receiver is talking.
Yeah,
By the way, it's a TalkNav T10 Pro, which you can buy in our store, the Apgloshop.com.
Okay. Come on.
Now you have to wait because the tablet needs to start up. That's of course, right? And that one is cold. The other one was preheated.
Preheated, yeah, you preheated very well.
Okay, let's get it on and then press the
Let's get it on.
Wizard. Wait until it says.
Nice sound.
No, it's
nice dance as well.
Yeah.
Up a layer.
You can see that I have.
Here your brain got a bit frozen, right?
Point.
Yeah.
The task was just to map a point.
Yeah, but I wanted to do it the real quick way, or not the right way, you know.
Yeah, you wanted to do it the demo way.
The demo way, because you should do that, otherwise it's a zero. So actually, you can deduct that from the time. It took me about 2 minutes.
No, we're not going to deduct it. I hear beeps.
Almost there.
Concentrating, see? See how concentrated I am?
I see how concentrated you are. You're taking this very seriously.
Oh, give me RTK.
You ask it very gently.
Give me RTK.
And then you become a monster.
GPS, come on, give me RTK.
And then he's very happy.
Oh, now I'm curious.
I have here the Apglos Time Challenge leaderboard.
Yeah.
So Ray, what position you think you have?
Number 1, because I'm the first one. But I did a good time. It will be hard to overrun my time.
What do you think your time is?
I think 2 minutes and 45 seconds.
Yeah, you can hold it. Of course, we have to write the name.
Yeah.
A bit like this, because otherwise it's very strange.
I see remarkings on the...
Raymond. And your time is exactly 2 minutes.
That's 2 minutes. I think that's pretty okay. 2 minutes and
52 seconds.
Ha!
And 36 hundredths. So, are you satisfied?
I am.
If you think you can do this better, let us know. Ray for sure thinks you won't be able to.
Number one.
Now, if you want to know more about GPS surveying, Ray, or the Apglos Time Challenge, then watch this video.